In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Whiteboard for Windows software for your desktop computers or your Windows laptops. First, you'll come to myviewboard.com and go ahead and log in with your school Google account. And then once you're logged in, at the top with these icons, you'll see this download icon. If you'll click on that, you'll see this top left option says My Whiteboard. And you'll notice if you hover over the Windows icon, it'll have a little pop-up that says Windows. So that's how you know you're downloading Whiteboard for Windows. So click on that and it will automatically download. Down here, you can see that it's downloading that software for me. And once it's finished downloading, you can go ahead and click on that. And this is your installation package for Whiteboard for Windows. Once this screen pops up, welcome to My ViewBoard Whiteboard Setup Wizard, you will go ahead and click Next. You'll want to make sure that you accept the terms and then click Next again and go ahead and click Install. And this may take a little bit of time in order to install, but then you will get this pop-up that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And you're going to click Yes. Once that screen goes away, you will notice if you minimize your Chrome browser or whatever you're currently in, you should see completing the My ViewBoard Whiteboard Setup Wizard. Click the Finish button to exit the Setup Wizard. So I'm going to click Finish. You'll also notice over here on my whiteboard or on my desktop, you'll see the whiteboard icon here. And if you double click on that, you should be able to open up Whiteboard for Windows, and it should look almost exactly like what you see on your panel. For the very first time, you will have to activate the software just like you had to do on your panel the very first time you opened the whiteboard there as well. So I'll go ahead and click Activate. And I'm going to type in my Oldham County Schools email address. And I'm going to just copy and paste it because you do have to type it a second time and hit Submit. And once you've activated the whiteboard, you should be able to use it and log in the same exact way you would do on your panel. So it should look exactly the same. If I click down here, I can use single sign-on with Google, or I can use the My Companion app to scan this QR code. So this is how you would install Whiteboard for Windows onto your desktop or laptop, and also activate that Whiteboard software once you open it for the very first time. Thank you so much for watching.